we can all have...
Ah, how kind of you. Humphrey, he's wearing a dress.
Yeah, well, none of our business, is it? So, how are you keeping it, George?
Oh, not too bad. I don't really like Christmas. All that goodwill rubbish.
Yeah, can be a bit of a drag.
All that turkey and stuffing and Christmas pudding. I felt a bit queer this morning.
Oh, yeah.
I must say, I do like your dress.
Yeah. No, it's not my dress. No, it's Mildred's.
Oh, and she lets you wear it. How understanding.
No, you tell her, Mildred, the ugly sister.
Oh, really?
No, not you, another ugly sister. In pantomime.
It's the Hampton Wick Players. They've offered me my first role, and I'm altering the dress.
Oh, I see.
We must come along and laugh at you.
You know, for a minute there, I thought you was on the turn.
One more remark like that and I'll smash you over the head with my handbag.
Fatima's perfect afternoon starts when her thoughts turn to her pride and joy. Aviva Car Insurance sponsors afternoons on ITV3.
Since these packs of Ferrero Rocher and Thornton's Toffee Fudge and Caramel are a sweet...
So did you get red?
Yeah. Morrison's makes it.
Oh, well, good.
Each time you blink, think of Rukaya. Because
The
for
sound button does.
each blink is torture. An infection called trachoma tightens lashes inwards. Now, each blink feels like thorns scratching her eye.